Dang, this hurricane is no joke, man. I'm saying, they had to give it a name like Milton just to calm people down. It ain't working, though. Weren't you just wearing a hoodie like 2 seconds ago? Yes! What happened to it? When I looked out the window, it got scared and walked away. I don't even blame him. Yeah, I'd leave too if I could afford a plane ticket. We're barely safe in the comfort of our own homes. And to think there are still people stupid enough to try to go outside and still go to wherever they need to go to. Acting like there's not a whole catastrophic catastrophe outside. Might as well be on the same severity as a My Hero Academia supervillain. And niggas still want to go outside. You know how dangerous that is? Do you know how dangerous that is? That's danger freaking risk, bruh. You drive your car, you're dead. You step outside, you're dead. You look out the window, you're dead. You even think about the hurricane, you gon' wish you didn't because it's too late. You're already freaking dead. You gotta be stupid as beans to go outside in that hurricane, bruh. Idioticness at its finest. Niggas just ain't got no common sense these days. Me? I ain't never leaving my house. Hello? Okay, I'ma catch you later, dog. Where are you going? I'm leaving my house. Cause you just said going outside in the hurricane was the stupidest thing in the world. Yeah, but that was before the love of my life called and told me she'd give me a chance if I drove to her house right this second. You got a life-threatening natural disaster outside. This what she looked like. Nigga, ain't no pretty girl worth dying over for. She has an older sister. Hurricane ain't even that bad for real. It's not even that deep. They just dragging it. Like, come on, they named it after a kid from a Disney Channel show. Like, be for real. They probably made the whole thing up. It's just a conspiracy to keep us in the Matrix. I read something about that the other day. It's just a placebo effect at this point, bro. I was thinking the same thing.